Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Anupriyanka
I am Sachin Salesh.
and we are the students of Grade 11 Commerce from Shakthi International School. We are here to talk about Mr. Amartya Kumar Singh.
And I'm going to talk about his achievements and books.
And I am going to talk about his personal life and professional life. Amartya Kumar Singh, an economist and philosopher, was born on 3rd November 1933 at Shantiniketan to Ashutosh Singh and Amita Singh. His father Ashutosh Singh was a chemistry professor in Dhaka University, the Development Commissioner in Delhi, and then the chairman of West Bengal Public Service Commission. He completed his first BA in economics in Calcutta University and the second BA of economics in Trinity College, Cambridge, and finally the PhD in Cambridge. After completing his PhD, he began his career as teacher and research scholar in the Department of Economics. In 1936, in Jadavpur University, he joined as the Professor of Economics. He also taught in the Delhi University, in London University, in London School of Economics, Oxford University, Trinity College of Cambridge, and Harvard University, and so on. Now, currently, he is the professor in Thomas W. Lamont University and the professor of Economics and Philosophy in Harvard University.
Amartya Singh was awarded many number of awards, and Adam Smith was his first award, which was given in 1954, and he was given a Nobel Prize on 1998 for economic science, and he was awarded with the highest civilian award in India. And Bharat Ratna was given in 1999 for his work of welfare of economics. Recently, in 2021, he was awarded with a Princess in Australia's award. In 1981, he published its own book Poverty and Famine, and in 2009 published The Idea of Justice. And he also wrote books like Growth Economics and on economics inequalities, and he is called as conscience of the profession and the Mother Teresa of economics.
We would like to thank everyone for giving us this opportunity to share our views about Nobel laureate Mr. Amartya Singh.
Thank you everyone.